Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Edge sidebar. To start, open Edge. Here, you can see the sidebar. After that, click on the menu and click on Settings. After that, go to the Sidebar section, turn off the Always Show Sidebar switch. You can see that the sidebar is not visible. If you want to see it again, click on the menu and open Settings. Then, in the Sidebar section, turn on the Always Show Sidebar switch. You can see that the sidebar is now visible again. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.